Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this lecture series, we'll be learning about linear regression. So it would be a 6-part video series wherein we'll be learning all about linear regression. The first part would be, okay, let me just write it down for you as well. So the first part, we'll be learning about what linear regression actually is. So we'll have a geometric intuition about linear regression. Next, we'll be learning about the different assumptions that we need to take into account while talking about linear regression. So the different assumptions that linear regression actually holds. Third, we'll be building a linear regression model from scratch. So build a linear regression model. After we have built our own linear regression model, we need to evaluate the performance of the model, right? For that, we'll be learning about the evaluation metrics and also evaluate the model that we have created. So we'll study about the evaluation metrics, which should be true for any regression model. All right. After that, we'll be learning about the different forms of linear regression which are used in industry. So for example, multilinear regression, which we also call as multiple linear regression. Both the same, multilinear regression or multiple linear regression. We'll also understand how multilinear regression is better compared to a simple linear regression, right? Then we'll also learn about polynomial regression. So this should be the agenda of this particular series on linear regression. All right, great. So see you in the next lecture, wherein we'll be starting with the geometric intuition about linear regression. Thank you.